Welcome to the Sax-Zim Bog, baby. Here we go.
The Sax-Zim Bog is 300 square miles of pristine wilderness. Its variety of habitats includes spruce forest, birch forest, meadows, and bogs, giving you countless opportunities to see a variety of different animals. The most popular being the great gray owl, which is the same reason I traveled all this way. See if I can get it done.
What's up guys, WG Basson here, back with another video. And today we are in the Sax-Zim Bog. I bet you probably don't know what that is. And I didn't know what that is until last week. That's right, I booked this trip in 1 week, baby. But it all started, I was just watching YouTube with my girlfriend. I was scrolling through all the different videos till I came across one with the title, "We saw 5 different owls in one day." I was like, hold on. So I pressed it, I watched it, and I was like, there's no way. This has to be too good to be true.
That's gotta be too good to be true.
So I shut the video off, I ran upstairs, grabbed my MacBook, and I started doing research on the Sax-Zim Bog. And I found out that this place is a literal dream, baby. So I quick made a checklist, I packed my bags, and I caught the soonest flight that I possibly could. I'm just joking. And the number one reason why I am here today is because I want to see a great gray owl. And if you want to see a great gray owl, this is the place to do it. They got bird feeders up here. We're gonna go check them out. And we're just cruising around searching for these owls, baby. Let's get her done. Woo! Alright folks, so I just stopped at the visitor center and I asked the lady that was working there. She was super nice. I asked her if she knew where I could see a great gray owl. And she said yes. She says she usually does not get to say that, but this time she knows where one is. And she gave me this map here and drew it all out for me, so we're gonna go check that out now. But I do have to be honest with you guys, I did not see any owls yet. Of course it was only my first morning, but still, it's just kind of discouraging. But I know I'm not gonna give up hope. I'm gonna keep searching, and we're gonna find them. I'm gonna get it done, I will. Just watch. Promise you. I'm gonna relax for a little bit, and then we're gonna get back at it. Peace. And as I was heading back out to the park, I noticed the sun was out, the wind died down, and I had a really good feeling about the night. So I headed straight to the Admiral Road feeders, and I found a couple hairy woodpeckers and a chickadee. But no owls, so I was feeling a little bit defeated until I turned the corner and saw a bunch of cars parked on the side of the road. And I look across the road, and there it is, the first great gray owl that I've ever laid my eyes on. The great gray owl is the largest owl in North America, with a length of 24 to 33 inches long and a wingspan of up to 5 feet. Their large facial disc and bright yellow eyes makes them easy to identify. The facial disc on the owl collects and directs sounds to its ears. One ear is higher than the other, which allows the owl to directly pinpoint where a sound is coming from. In fact, these owls have such great hearing
that they can hear a rodent under the snow up to 300 feet away and up to a foot deep. Boom, baby! We got it done. I was just watching a great gray owl for like half an hour straight. Yes! Bro, that is the one bird that I came here for. That is the one that I wanted to see, and we did it. We did it on the first day, too. On the first day. I knew it was going to be a good night. I had a good feeling. It wasn't windy anymore. The sun was out. Oh, I knew it was going to happen. And I was right, baby. Let's go! And I told myself that if I saw a great gray owl tonight, that I was going to buy a big steak. So it's time to eat good. I can't feel my face or my fingers, so I'm gonna warm up now.
Bon appetit.
Alright, good morning, guys. It is day 2, and I was on my way to Sax-Zim Bog. I slept in a little bit this morning, but it's alright. Because as I was driving down the road to get there, I saw another great gray owl sitting up in the tree. And the best part about this one is I found it. There is nobody else here. It is just me. And he's sitting right there. Alright, guys, so I moved a little bit closer. My car is just right there. But I moved a little closer, right? Because he is very comfortable. He isn't moving sporadically. He's not worried. He's just kind of sitting, basking up all this sunlight. And so it's really special. It's just me and the owl. Alright, guys, so I'm going to leave that owl and we're going to move on to the next one. He's still there. He's just basking in the sun, taking it all up. I watched him for about 20 minutes. Just me and the owl too, which is just amazing. Because last night when I saw that owl, there was a big crowd there already. So it was super special to just have this moment with that owl. We're going to let him be. I don't want to bother him too much, and I definitely don't want to draw a crowd. So I'm going to get out of here and go look for the next thing. Let's go.
Shortly after the ruffed grouse, I stumbled across my second great gray owl of the day. Now I want you to just take a moment and really appreciate the camouflage that this animal has. God did a really great job when he created this animal. The great gray owl can be found year-round in the western United States, all the way up to Alaska, and throughout most of Canada. If there isn't enough food up north in the winter, they will migrate south into northern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, and the UP, just like they did this year up here in northern Minnesota.
So I got what I came here for. Basically, I could end this trip right now and I would be 100% happy with it. Obviously, I'm not gonna do that. For these boreal owls, they're a fairly small owl. You can see the right side of the road has no sun on it. Left side of the road, on the other hand, is filled with sun. So this is where you're gonna wanna look, about eye height up to 20 feet in the air. So we're just gonna cruise these roads and we're gonna keep our eyes peeled and hopefully we can set them on a boreal owl. Let's get looking. And not long after, I saw a bird in the brush on the side of the road soaking up all the sun. And as I got closer, I realized that I had just found my first ever boreal owl. And just like this owl's name suggests, this owl is mainly found in the boreal forest, but it can also be found in the western United States. The boreal owl is a fairly small owl, with a length of 8 to 11 inches and a wingspan of 21 to 24 inches. And although these owls may look very cute and cuddly, they are extremely efficient hunters. And just like the great gray owl, this owl has a facial disc and asymmetrical ears, meaning that one ear is higher than the other, which allows this owl to directly pinpoint where the sound is coming from. They sit on these perches and listen for movement below, and when the timing is perfect, they glide down and swiftly grab their prey with their sharp talons. And now that you've learned a little bit about the owls, I'm going to stop talking and let you enjoy the beautiful Sax-Zim Bog. I don't think that literally could have gone any more perfect than the way it did. Even from the way that it started out, where it was on that branch, perfect. Until it flew up onto a branch right in front of everything else. So it was in front of the trees, it wasn't blocked by anything. And it flew like
I'm so hyped right now. I'm gonna get McDonald's tonight for sure. This is the best day that I've ever had with trying to find owls. But I'm heading over to the Admiral Road feeders right now because I heard that a pine marten sometimes will come out like an hour before dark and eat the peanut butter there. So I'm gonna go there and stake it out for the night. I already saw all the owls that I could possibly need to see. So now I'm gonna target the pine marten and hopefully we can get that done. Let's go. Well, the pine marten didn't come out, so I headed back to the hotel room to get some much needed rest. With only a few hours left of my trip, I decided to go to the visitor center and ask one of the extremely nice staff where I could find an ermine. She told me about a rib cage that an ermine is frequently seen at. But first, I decided to enjoy my coffee by one of the many windows they have to view the bird feeders. That was right next to the warm fireplace.
You thought a cooper shop just came in.
I got this cool shirt with a big great gray owl on the front, Phantom of the North, and it says, "Who's watching who? Great gray owls, Sax-Zim Bog, Minnesota." Awesome. I just had to show my support to them somehow because this place is just so unbelievable. And I'm super thankful for this place and the people that are working here. They're just great. So without further ado, we're going to head over to the ermine spot and see if we can't get lucky one last time. Let's go. Well, the ermine did not show. And I came to the realization that this amazing trip was about to end. And although I was sad, I remembered how great this place has been to me. And as I cruised these dirt roads one last time, I realized there's no room for sadness. There's still animals that need to be checked off the list. So Sax-Zim Bog, I say to you, thank you, and I'll see you next year. Well guys, it's been an amazing weekend, guys. This place holds a very special place in my heart now, and I'm definitely going to be coming back here every year. It's just amazing here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to make a video on every single spot that I saw wildlife at on this trip, just drop a comment below and I'll do that for you guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. That will really help out the channel. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, and that would be incredible. So thank you guys for watching it this far. I really appreciate that a lot. I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. And until next time, this is WG Basson signing out. Peace.